Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can find a domain for only 99 cents for your Shopify store or just for your website in general. But again, I'm just targeting the Shopify seller. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can find the domain for 99 cents. And as you guys know, on Shopify it usually charges you $15, which is a lot. And most Shopify sellers use the $15 one, and they don't understand that you can just buy a domain for just 99 cents and link it to your Shopify store in just like 2 minutes. It's not complicated at all, and I'm going to showing you guys how. And you guys can save a lot of money from this, and by a lot I mean you can actually buy a shout out for the money you save. So you can buy a shout out for 100 to 150k page for just $10 that you save from not buying the domain from Shopify. But anyways, it's pretty simple. There's a trick to it, because if you go to GoDaddy or HostGator or whatever, they also charge you $15. But there's a way you can get a discount and get it only for $1. So I'll show you guys what I mean. When you go to google.com, when you search up GoDaddy, which is like a really famous domain website, let's go to buying let's buy a domain. So whatever it is, let's just say have a street, have a, I don't even know what that means. I'm just searching it up. Okay, so I don't know if it's loading. There it is. So when you go to haveatreewhatever.com, it's charging you $15. So again, like I said, there's a technique where you can get it for just 99 cents. And basically all you have to do is go back to Google. It's all in the search. It's a really weird technique, and I just found it randomly when I was searching it up on Google, and I will show you guys how you can do it too. All you have to do is go to Google again, then search up 99 cents domain, and then from there just go to GoDaddy and then click this link, and then from there just go to promos. I'm not sure if it was there before or not, but that's how I found it. But anyways, you go here and then click show code, and then copy this, then go to website, and then domain, find a domain name search, and then I'm just gonna type something random, search, and then from there you can go to .com. Where did .com go? I'm not sure why .com is not coming, but search up something else. Why is .com not coming? Okay, there you go. I'm not sure why it wasn't coming, and I don't know what this word is, but anyways, you just add it to cart, continue to cart, and then from there, no thanks, start your website for free, nope, and then continue with these options. Then from there you just search up 1 year. I actually have honey, so you can just apply coupon, but I'm just going to show you if you guys don't have honey. And then from there you can just go to find your domain. Alright guys, so I don't know why it took me so long to figure it out, but basically I've already applied the promo code and I've actually bought a domain from them, so it didn't let me. But anyways, this is the code that you can use, and you can find it over here when you go to promos. So all you have to do is come here, click that, and then apply, and then from there you get the 99 cents discount. I've already availed it, so that's why it's not letting me do it. But anyways, this is how you can save like $14 and actually get a domain for just $1. So again, this is going to be really helpful. You can save a lot of money from this and use it for one free influencer ad, because you're saving money from not buying the domain from Shopify. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Again, now in order to link the domain, all you have to do is go to domains, and then from there you go to connect existing domain, and then from there you search up your domain, whatever it is, and then .com, and then next, and then it will automatically tell you to connect your domain to GoDaddy. So from there you connect automatically, and then I believe you have to sign in. Mine is already connected, so I don't have to worry about that, but just connect automatically, sign in, and you're basically done. It only takes like 3 minutes to connect, and you save like $14. So again guys, never buy the domain from Shopify. You can save a lot of money using this method, and I hope you guys found value in this video. So I hope you guys save a lot of money out there, and leave a like. Let's try to go for 5 likes. Subscribe if you're new. Again, I'm so close to 100 subscribers, and yeah guys, I'm out.